In this video, we will cover basic concepts of adding products and bundles to opportunity, quote, order, or work order objects. Once bundle is configured and approved, sales reps can start using those bundles. In this video, we will consider opportunity as the object. All steps are same for quote, order, and work order. If you are using standard Salesforce, reps are accustomed to using Add Products option to add products one by one. Instead of Add Product button, they will now use Add and Edit Line Item button to take advantage of bundles, volume pricing, attribute pricing, and other features of our app. It's way better user experience than standard Add Product screen. Please see Buttons section of the tutorial to understand how to add these custom buttons to page layout. Click Add Line Items button in Products Related list. Select the price book. Depending on what you want to search, toggle the bar to Products or Bundles. You can also change the default selection to Bundles. Check Advanced Customization section of the tutorial for more details. If you want to load all products or bundles, just click Filter button. Alternatively, search by specifying keywords in the text fields and click Filter button, or by selecting values from Pick List filters without clicking the button. Loading all products or bundles may be slow, so preferably these filter options should be used. Let's search bundles. Click plus sign to expand the bundle. This will show all the bundle items for that bundle, and by default, all items will be selected. You can change this behavior and auto-expand bundles on load. Also, you can disable the option to auto-select all items when bundle is expanded. Please check Advanced Customization section of the tutorial for more details. Bundle items marked as required during bundle configuration will always be selected, and Select checkbox will be grayed out. By default, each bundle item will show the pricing configuration defined in the bundle, and these values can be updated by sales reps. For example, if quantity is changed, it auto-calculates the price fields. If you have child bundles added during bundle configuration, like in this case, changes can be made to child bundles independently. For example, changing quantity for child bundle item will update pricing for that line item only, and will not impact parent bundle pricing. Child bundles are mainly used to reuse existing bundles. Updating fields on bundle header will update corresponding fields on all bundle items. For example, changing standard quantity field on header will multiply with the default quantity for all bundle items. We call this quantity multiplier, and the pricing fields will be updated accordingly. Click your icon to see quantity breaks if item has volume pricing defined. Based on the pricing configuration of the product, pricing and margin will be updated dynamically based on quantity change. Please check volume pricing section of the tutorial for more details. Apart from quantity-based pricing, you can dynamically calculate pricing based on any custom attribute or combination of attributes like color, size, capacity. For example, in this case, you may have one product for Genoa diesel and an attribute for different capacity, which will define the pricing. Please check attribute pricing tutorial for more details. Changes to pricing fields, description, or other custom fields can be restricted based on user role or profile. Please check Advanced Customization section of the tutorial for more details. You can add or remove any standard or custom fields filter or result sections on this page. Please check Adding Custom and standard field section of the tutorial for more details. Once all bundles are configured, click Add to Cart button to add these items to cart. Let's add a standard product by following the same process. You get benefits of volume pricing for standard products as well. Let's add these products to cart. Click on the items box to see the cart details. Standard products are shown on top, followed by bundles. Sales rep gets another opportunity to review and update before adding these line items to opportunity. It shows the summary of individual products and bundles count, as well as total price for the cart. Bundles can be deleted, along with all line items, including child bundles, by clicking on Delete icon. Gear icon shows the volume pricing, as discussed earlier. Following are the options on cart. Save button will add these items to opportunity products. Back button will redirect to product or bundle configuration page, keeping cart items intact. If you have enabled and defined quantity or revenue schedule on opportunity, schedule button can be shown as well. You can add or remove any standard or custom fields in the cart. Please check Adding Custom and Standard Fields section of the tutorial for more details. Let's add these items to opportunity by clicking Save. Let's check opportunity product details. Line item description is populated from bundle line item description. Here are some additional fields added as part of product bundle app. Bundle name, bundle quantity, and bundle item. Please update opportunity layout to add these fields on opportunity product related list as part of your business requirement. Also ensure that these fields have needed permissions to relevant profiles. For standalone products, these fields will be blank. As we are using standard opportunity product related list, all out-of-box features, like reports, dashboards, forecast, integrations, and other customization like workflow and trigger would work just fine. To edit line items, click on Edit Line Items button, which will show existing products and bundles on opportunity. You can modify existing products or bundles and click on Save button, or if new products or bundles need to be added, click on Back button, which will redirect to configuration page with cart retaining existing items. Rest of the functionality is same as discussed for add line items. Please note, once products are added to opportunity product, any changes on bundles will not affect these products because these are already added to opportunity product. For example, let's delete this line item from the corresponding bundle. Even after this item is removed from bundle, opportunity will still have this product retained, and only reference to bundle item is removed. Changes on bundle will only be applied when that bundle is added again to either existing opportunity or to new opportunity. Just to summarize, sales reps can search products or bundles, review the configuration in cart, and add to opportunity, quote, order, or work order. We offer free 15 days full-featured trial. Visit our website for detailed documentation, pricing, or contact our support for any queries.